Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is your chance this weekend, Labor Day weekend 2023, to come out to our grand opening because we've got lots of special treats for you. And this is a big one, a very first look, up close, in person. You can touchy-feely an expedition truck, a Rex Rover from 27North. I'm so excited about this, I can hardly contain myself. I want one. Can I have one? I need to ask for a raise. But hey, this is so cool because you can take it where you want to take it. You can adventure where you want to adventure. This sounds so sales pitchy as I'm hearing myself, but it has the added benefit of actually being true. All right, check this out. We have carbon Kevlar adventure skin on this whole thing. Now I want to point out a couple things. Again, I'm discovering this for the first time here, like say an hour ago, but we have the factory rep with us here and he's able to answer questions for you. Now, if you're viewing this video after Labor Day weekend, no harm. Hopefully we'll have one for you to look at it, but at the very least, we'll have lots of information for you on how you can own one of these things too. But check this out. We've got one piece here. This is one piece. You don't see any seams in this entire structure. All right, so there's no places for leaking. There's no places for structural failure because this is all one piece. I already pointed out there's 600 watts of solar up on top. We're all lithium, induction cooktop, refrigerator. There's a bunch of treats I'm going to show you on the inside, but how about this? Plentiful storage. There's 2,000 watt pure sine wave inverter and our solar charge controller. I've got plenty of storage there. Right here's our diesel fuel and DEF fill port right here. Fresh water. I've got a cassette toilet here. Pop that out. We can dump it. Two-stage water filtration system. So if you're out in the middle of Timbuk nowhere and you need to pull in some fresh water, there's a two-stage filter. One right here, there's an additional one on the inside. Drop this hose into the lake, pull some fresh water in, and you're good to go. Pull this toilet cassette out here. I've got an outdoor shower port right here as well as 110 power and 12 volt power all in this spot. Really, really nice freshwater fills up here as well. Get that closed. All right, let's go around this way. Woo, check this out. Off-road tires all the way around. Again, this is from 27North. I do have a hitch back here for additional storage capacity. I've got a storage compartment in the back, and check it out. We've got a 12-volt refrigerator. It heats or cools. Unplug it, throw it in the back of another vehicle, go on another expedition. This whole thing pops out, and then you can actually put a griddle out here as well. Really nice to have that. And coming back around to this side, I love how they branded this. Very deliberate in the branding, Rex Rover. I've seen a number of these around. I've not seen one that's built better than this. Look at the storage capacity in here. You have your diamond plating in there so you can put stuff in there without worrying scratching the floor and so on. Hey, we can tailgate. Life is good. LG TV right here on the patio side. Speaking of patio side, direct your eyes up here to the awning. What looks different about it? It's integrated into the sidewall of the coach. So if you're using this like I hope you're using it, you're taking it off-road, going through tree branches and all kinds of stuff like that. The awning is recessed in there to protect it, so you're not leaving the awning at 10,500 feet on a Colorado mountain pass or something. It's integrated, recessed in there. What a great idea. Love that. We are on a Ford F-250 chassis. Obviously, the carbon Kevlar, the adventure skin continues through the entire coach, plus I have running boards along here. LED lights all the way around. You can see in front here. I've got ditch lights up here, LED lights there, so if you're off, it's dark, you need to see your way around. Really nicely lit. And of course, you gotta have this. Hopefully you're gonna get in the mud situation sometime where you actually have to use that, all right? I love it, so good. Hey, come on, let's go on the inside. With every RV on the planet, I often say, yeah, where's the trash can go? right there. All right, so if not that, you're hanging a bag from a door or something, but got a place for the trash can. Recessed blinds on the window. Everything is very deliberate. I've got a screen door here as well, so doesn't take up room. It's super light. All right, now on the inside, I've got a king bed up here, so plenty of room for a couple to sleep. I got more sleeping in the back, but I wanted to point out this first. So here's the thing, I can sit up here. I'm 6 feet tall. I can sit straight up here. I have another TV here as well, and I can pop this open for air ventilation, natural light. Of course, both side windows open up as well. But how about this? Plenty of room up here to sleep and not feel cramped. Another thing that I'm impressed about this unit is the amount of storage. So, I've got storage compartments galore. Boom, boom. Right here's our multiplex system here. So if you will shop RVs in the last couple of years, you've seen things like this where you can control things and check these things from your cell phone. But lighting controls and whole house coach controls. Got electrical panel up here for our breakers. And then storage all the way down and around the entire coach. I'm curious to know how many square feet, or inches anyway, square feet of storage up here above the microwave. There's a big storage compartment. And really rare in an expedition truck to have a closet. And we actually have one. There's a hanging closet rod right there. Heck, I think I could fit in there. Pretty sure I could. So storage there and more storage up top. Now I was a little concerned when I saw this. Is it going to be noisy, rattling going down the road? We just drove it all the way around our back lot here, bumps. I'm getting this thing up to speed 30 miles an hour. I'm not hearing anything back here, which tells me a couple things. It's well built, and I just hate rattles and squeaks and all that. Man, it's really quiet. I don't know if you caught it when we stepped up in here, but there's a washer dryer right here inside the door. So you have a washer and dryer, you've got solid surface countertops, a nice deep basin sink, and a pull-out extension for prep area right next to the counter. And here's the cool thing, I can still get around this in and out with this pull-out extension. Very handy to have. Now if you need sleeping for more than just the two, heck, or 3 humans, I can convert the dinette back here into a sleeping surface as well. So right now we're in a dinette situation, obviously. This table's going to drop down, spread our cushions out, and there's a double-sized bed for 2 people could sleep up here all day long. Now, I've got the LG TV with a Bose sound bar back here. That TV pulls out for a better viewing angle. I've got the TV up front in the bunk area, and I've got the TV outside as well. We have 55 gallons of fresh water here. Again, I pointed out we've got 600 watts of solar on top, which can be expanded. You've got 900 amp hours, pretty sure, on the lithium battery bank on this coach. Storage again goes all the way around. All these windows, of course, open up, and then you do have your shades and screens which pull up. So screen there, total blackout there. So if I just want to open this up and let the fresh air in, I'm going to do that. It's got the Truma AquaGo, so we've got a Truma combi system for your hot water and your furnace in here. All right, we've got a wet bath and I want to show you. And again, I'm impressed with how they're branding these. This is cut into here, the Rex Rover brand. 27North is the brand, Rex Rover is the model. Now we've also got the Ascender, so if you're into the expedition truck category, you got to come check these things out. Again, Labor Day weekend, this weekend in 2023, you can come check this out in touchy-feely in person. After that, we'll be able to help you get one on order and give you information. I want to step into this wet bath, though, because a lot of times wet baths are really quite cramped. I'm quite comfortable in here. I'm 6 feet tall, average build. All right. Right here, I got plenty of leg room. There is a little sink over here, and here's our shower wand. I got a little cubby up here for storage and so on. I can hit our water pump switch from in here, so if I forgot to turn the water on from out there. I can do it from in here. So really quite spacious on a wet bath situation. A lot of times wet baths are really, really cramped. Fantastic unit. My name is Mike. We're here at Leisure RV Center of DFW. We're on Highway 121 just outside of Fort Worth, Texas. I hope you can come visit us and check this out in person. Give me a call, email me. My contact information is below. I can give you a spec sheet and all that kind of good information on this. I should say we've got upgraded suspension on this. I want to point out too, before I wrap up the tour, that we are in an F250 chassis. These seats back here, so you can seat 4 people up front, these will actually fold forward. And so you can actually squeeze through here and get up into the cab area, or vice versa, or just let them lay down, or remove them entirely. So you can remove these back seats if it's just going to be 1 or 2 of you going back and forth all the time. I've got separate light switches up in the dash area for our LED lights and so on. It's got the sync entertainment and navigation system from Ford. If you've bought a Ford in the last few years, you'll be familiar with that interface. But very comfortable cab, and it's kind of neat that you can get from the front to the back easily. So again, guys, my name is Mike, Leisure RV Center of DFW. Drop some comments below. I'm curious what you think about this. Maybe you have questions about it. We're always happy to help. While you're down there, appreciate it if you click like and subscribe. That way you'll be first to know when we do more quick reviews just like this one. I'll see you next time.